Hey everyone, want to build a CRM in ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to create a customer relationship management system, organize leads, and track client interactions using ClickUp step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, create a dedicated space for your CRM system. I mean, having a separate area keeps your customer information organized and easy to manage. Now create asterisk folders or lists for different CRM stages, such as leads, prospects, active clients, follow-ups, and completed deals. Next, create tasks for each customer or potential customer. Use the task name for the contact or company name so your team can quickly identify records. Add important customer details using custom fields such as email address, phone number, company, deal value, lead source, priority, and sales stage. Create workflow statuses that match your sales process, such as new lead contacted meeting scheduled proposal sent negotiation and closed . Next, add comments and notes inside customer tasks to track conversations, updates, and important interactions. Use ClickUp Docs to store customer information, sales scripts, onboarding materials, and CRM documentation. Create reminders, recurring tasks, and automations to manage follow-ups and make sure no customer is forgotten. Next, build dashboards to track sales activity, pipeline progress, completed deals, and team performance.